In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an essential platform for professional networking, providing a multitude of features that can enhance your career connections. Today, we're going to focus on how to efficiently navigate and manage your connections on this platform. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. It's essential to familiarize yourself with LinkedIn's layout, as this will greatly enhance your overall experience. Once you reach the LinkedIn homepage, the next step is logging in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account credentials, or simply by entering your email address and password directly. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, you might be prompted by LinkedIn to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your phone. This extra layer of security helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll find the My Network icon, which looks like a person with a network illustration beside it, symbolizing the connections you have. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a dedicated page for managing your network. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a section titled Manage My Network. Under this section, there's an option for Connections. Clicking here will reveal a comprehensive list of all your first-degree connections, essentially, all the people you're directly connected with through accepted invitations. What's fantastic about this page is the flexibility it offers. LinkedIn provides several sorting options, allowing you to organize your connections either by recently added, or alphabetically by first or last name. Additionally, if you're searching for a specific person, there's a handy search bar for directly typing in their name. To delve even deeper into your connections, you can refine your search by using LinkedIn's filters. Simply click on Search with Filters, and you'll be able to narrow down your connections by criteria like location, industry, and company. This feature is invaluable for pinpointing exactly who you need. For even more detailed filtering options, click on All Filters. This will give you a comprehensive view of various parameters you can use to streamline your search efficiently, including filtering by the services they offer or the schools they attended. Once you've identified the connection you're interested in, you can take action right from this page. LinkedIn allows you to message or even remove connections with just a few clicks. Messaging is a great way to maintain relationships and open lines of professional communication. On the other hand, the option to remove connections is useful for managing and tailoring your network to fit your current professional landscape. Following these steps will make it easier for you to view and manage all your connections on LinkedIn, helping you stay organized and make the most of your professional network.